what's up, bros, it's Fonte here. I hope everybody's safe and healthy. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Google Mobile Services, aka Google Play, aka GMS, on your Huawei or on phones. This is easy method, it is called Googlefier, and it is the real GMS on your Huawei or on phones, not the emulated one such as G-Space, DualSpace or OurPlay. But this method is not working with the latest firmwares and with EMUI 11, so bear that in mind. And if you want the real Google Play on your Huawei smartphone, you have to downgrade. There is still no core good GMS method that is working with the latest firmwares, but Googlefier method is still working. You only have to downgrade your smartphone. And now maybe you are asking yourself how to downgrade. So I have a video about it, is in the description, bros. So what is our first step? The first thing you have to do is go to my website. So the link is in the description of this video, bros. Go to description, tap on that link, and the link takes you to my website. This site. So you have to scroll a bit down, just like me, and search for Googlefier, this one. So tap on that first link, tap on consent, and tap on this big blue button to download this application. And tap on download. And the application is right now downloading. So we have to wait. We are almost there, so we have to be patient. Almost 90%. So okay, now you have to tap on that application again, and tap on allow, and tap on install. Now tap on open, and as you can read, this app is only for Huawei devices running EMUI 10 or higher. I choose let me in, I don't care. Now tap on next, again next, again next, again next, and let's go. And allow access to your contacts, and again allow. Tap on OK. And as you can read, this button installs the proper backup app version and runs restore. Just follow the instructions. So tap on that backup icon right here. The date is wrong. OK. Tap on OK. And choose 2019. Go back. Again, tap on that icon. And you can read, we will uninstall the current backup, blah, blah, blah. Tap on OK. Tap on OK right here. Allow. Tap on install. Tap on done. Tap on again, tap on next, agree. Now it's time to free that upper right corner right here, restore from internal storage. Tap on this backup, tap on restore, and type the password. It is Bender 007. I will show you. Tap on done, go back, tap on LZ Play application, tap on activate, allow, and tap this blue button, go back, again go back, tap on this first link, again set automatically, go back. Tap on again this first icon, tap on OK, allow, install, tap on open, tap on account, tap on sign in, tap on add Google account, again, tap on sign in, And now you have to sign in with your Gmail account. So I'm gonna sign in with my Google account. Okay, now go back. If you want to add more Google account, now it's the right time. So bros, I don't want to log in with my other account, so I go with the icon 3 right here and install the Google application. So tap on allow, install, done, allow, install, done, allow, install, done, and again allow, install, and done, and last but not least install, done, again. Okay, so now you can read that the Google Play Services settings will pop up, and I have to press tab and uninstall the Google Play Services. After that the app will start and second installation. I have to confirm that, and after its installation open and close I have to open the Play Store and a couple of times and also check the scenes. So okay, first step, uninstall, allow, install. Okay, tap on done. I go to settings. This is my Google account. Turn the synchronization on. Now open the Play Store. And download something. So now go back. Open again Googlefier. Tap on allow, install, done. Now I have to press stop and uninstall, and another installation will automatically start after that step. So tap on OK. First step, uninstall, again install, tap done, go back, open Play Store, go back, if this doesn't work, restart your phone. Tap on restart. Open Play Store. So open Googlefier. Never let me in. Storage, clear cache, clear data, and force stop. Clear cache, clear data, go back, force stop. This must be great. So force stop again. Storage, clear data, force stop. So this is the Googlefier method on Huawei or on smartphones. This is the real core GMS on these smartphones, not the fake emulated such as G-Space or DualSpace or OurPlay. I love Googlefier. Now I can on my Mate 30 Pro download apps I like, I want, games. Also, I highly recommend you to use this method instead of DualSpace or G-Space. Everything is working very nice, very fine. I will show you. So, I do hope you ended up enjoy this video, bros. Don't forget to subscribe. It is very important. Share the video, like the video. And as always, I really appreciate your support. Stay safe, wear the mask. Peace out, brothers.